We had an appearance today based on papers that we filed in court yesterday, an emergency motion that we filed on behalf of Miss Chung, seeking the court's protection effectively from the Trump administration's efforts to detain a 21-year-old college junior based on nothing criminal, what they've called concerning conduct, essentially her speech in support of the human rights of Palestinians. The Trump administration is seeking to detain her and deport her. So she ran to seek the court's protection, and the court today did the right thing, did the sensible thing, did the just and fair thing of granting her that protection and blocking ICE's attempts to detain her and deport her pending further order of the court. And so, as of today, Yunseo Chung no longer has to fear and live in fear of ICE coming to her doorstep and abducting her in the night, as they did Mr. Khalil and other student activists in this country. And so pending further of the court, the administration will not be able to do that. We will, of course, continue to press her claims in court. Our position is that the only reason that the government is seeking to detain a 21-year-old college junior at Columbia, a high school valedictorian with no criminal priors, is simply because her viewpoint, her speech, her First Amendment protected speech, it happens to be something that they disagree with. And so again, today, Ms. Chung has won. The court did the sensible thing. It is a temporary restraining order. Until further order of the court, ICE will not be able to take further steps to detain her, and we will continue to fight as hard as we need to vindicate her constitutional rights in court. So today, the lawyer for the government conceded, admitted in court, that if ICE were to detain her, she would not be eligible for a bond hearing in immigration court. In other words, the government would take the position that because she is being detained on these speech-based foreign policy grounds, she's not eligible for bail. She's not eligible to get out, which is all the more reason for the federal court to step in and protect her against what ICE clearly intends to do and what they've admitted in court on the record that they intend to do, which is detain her and keep her in detention until, an immigration court can decide whether or not she's deported.
Can you talk about what the judge said?
No, she remains a resident of the Southern District of New York. ICE has not been able to locate her or arrest her, and the first thing she did once she became aware of ICE's effort was the right thing, which is to run to court and seek legal protection, which she has obtained today.